Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide likes on Instagram using your Android device. To get started, open the Instagram app and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and Activity, then tap Like and Share Counts. To hide likes on posts from other people, turn on the Hide Like and Share Counts option. If you want to hide the like count on your own post before publishing it, create a new post, tap Advanced Settings at the bottom of the final screen, then turn on Hide Like and View Counts on this post before sharing it. If you've already published a post, open the post, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Hide Like Count. The number of likes will no longer be visible to other users, although you can still view the total likes on your own posts. And that's it, you've successfully hidden likes on Instagram. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.